Hello, Kevin here again. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a device configuration. Earlier, we created a device type, which is a very specific model or instance of a device that you may have in the field. A device configuration defines how the messages sent from that device will be translated and used within our system. That way we can have one device configuration that supports many different device types out there. To create a device configuration, let's click on Studio. Let's click on Make, and now go ahead and click on Device Configurations. Click on Add, and the first one we're going to create here is a motion detector. We can add some custom states in that. We're not going to do this right now. We also have the ability here to be able to create different types of labels to be used throughout the system. In some cases, device might not be the right term for what your device configuration is. It may be something like power washer or something along those lines. So we can go in and we can give it different types of labels. And for creating a basic device configuration, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then in a previous step, we created some device types. So I'm going to come back over here to Device Home. I'm going to click on Device Types. I'm going to bring up our motion detector, and I'm going to select motion detector. We'll save that, and there we go. So now we've created our device configuration, which again is really how that device should behave, how the messages from that device should be used within our system. And then the actual device type itself is a very specific instance of that. And if you remember right, a device type has different types of parameters that we can put on there, such as resources, bills of material, and associated equipment, which is why it makes sense to be able to have a very specific device type.